All right, what is going on, guys? We are out here. Forgive me, I'm kind of sick. We are out here on the Fourtrax 300 4x4 today. I have converted it back to two-wheel drive with my little two-wheel drive conversion kit I've come up with. I've done it before. Made a whole video about it. Y'all go check it out. But we are out here in two-wheel drive. And as y'all have seen on the channel, I had the four-wheeler torn apart for about 6 months. Working on it, trying to figure out what was wrong with it. Just found out that the problem is not solved, but somehow it's not doing it as bad as it was. So it is rideable. And I did get the whole thing put back together, deep cleaned it, and I buried this four-wheeler for a couple times over the course of 3 weeks. Just like testing it, riding it in the deep mud, the deep sludge, and I buried it a couple times, winched it out, deep cleaned it, put all the plastic back on, got it all put back together. I'm going to go ahead and show y'all what it looks like if you don't know. This is the four-wheeler all put back together. Yes, I have my tripod on there because I am filming some stuff today. Really beautiful day out here. Got the two-wheel drive conversion back in. I got the two ends of CV axles. Just removed the axle from the middle because you cannot go without this and you cannot go without this. So that's my two-wheel drive conversion. It is so much more fun to ride in two-wheel drive, and you're about to find out why. Oh man, I'm still trying to get over this shit. You are about to find out why. And I think I'm going to do a top speed run in two-wheel drive to see what is the max speed limit on this thing. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Go ahead and figure out top speed. Two-wheel drive, 25-inch tires. All right, guys, that is going to wrap up the little Fourtrax 300 video. If you want to know how to do the little two-wheel drive conversion on a 4x4, it's so hard to talk, y'all forgive me. If you want to do the little two-wheel drive conversion on a Honda 300 four-wheel drive, because as we all know, when you get a four-wheel drive Honda 300, there is no two-wheel drive. It is only four-wheel drive all the time. There was no back and forth on them. If you can find like a Warn 424 that you can, it's like a cable drive shaft, you can switch it back and forth. If you can find that, do that. That's great. I cannot find anyone that sells them. I can't find them on Facebook Marketplace. They're completely discontinued. I can't find them at all. And A 300 has, like, you know, decent power to be a 300, but when it's in four-wheel drive, you really don't get to have any fun with that power because it's all-wheel drive. You can't slide. You can't really do donuts. You can on loose gravel, but, you know, you want to do more donuts than that. It's a little harder to do wheelies. You can still do wheelies, but it's a little harder in four-wheel drive. And the power difference also is kind of drastic, too, with pulling 2 extra tires. So if you do what I did, obviously you've watched the earlier part of this video. You can slide it, donuts, wheelies, I mean, drifting. The power's way better because it's only spinning 2 tires. So like this shift from 4 to 5th gear is like, it doesn't just die as much because it's only having to spin the 2 tires. Now I do understand that in the mud, the 2-wheel drive is almost useless. Like when them 4-wheelers are 4-wheel drive, the best you're really going to get is 3-wheel drive. Because if you get in some sticky shit, it's only going to spin 1 of the front tires. But, man, you would not believe how much of a difference that makes in the mud. In 2-wheel drive, that fucker is stuck the first time you touch water. It's just stuck. It bottoms out. Done. But in 4-wheel drive, 3-wheel drive, it really does do that much better. Now, I get that. Now, I'm not ruining the 4-wheeler at all because I have 2 perfectly good CV axles over there that are a year old. I put in a year ago. At this point, I can put CV axles in that 4-wheeler in about 20 minutes. It's just 3 bolts per side, pop it in, it's done. So if I'm going to go like on a designated mud ride or off-road or hill climb or whatever, I'm probably going to take the 30 minutes and just pop the CV axles back in it, and then I'm back 4-wheel drive. So I haven't ruined it. I haven't done anything like that. There's no point in me buying a sport quad because I like having the racks, the utility models. I like those better. I don't really like sport quads at all. So with this, I'm kind of getting the best of both with the Honda 300. And I really, really love it. It is still having that one little issue. You can watch my previous videos to find out what that issue is. But other than that, just a fun little video to make on the Honda 300. Hope you guys enjoy it and stick around for the next video. Peace out.